Welcome back to Fly Stream Fishing, guys. In today's video, we're going to be fishing the pond at my new house. And there's my neighbor's dogs. But in today's video, we're going to be crappie fishing in my new pond at my new house. So what we got on here is a little Googan jig head with a little monkey milk, little mini shad. Probably about 1.5 feet under a bobber, 2 foot maybe. See if we can't get anything. Hopefully we can. It's pretty calm out here today too. Normally it's very, very windy, which makes it very hard to cast unless you're in a kayak. Got one. Oh, snap. He's fighting pretty good. He was, at least. I don't know what happened now. Dang. He's feisty. There we go. It's a nice little crappie. They're all relatively around this size. I mean, there's no really big ones in here, like no eating ones, but still very, very fun fish. Let's go ahead and release him. There he goes. All right, let's catch some more. Hopefully the bite will get better as the sun starts to go down. Because normally whenever the sun starts to go down, that's whenever they start popping on the top. Last night, it got to the point where they were actually trying to eat my bobber. Oh, there's another one. Ooh, this one feels good. Loosen my drag just a little bit. Golly, they all fight so hard, you don't know how big they are until you get them in and see them. Oh, this guy's barely hooked. Come on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Let's go. There's another crappie. This one's pretty decent size too for in this pond. All right, there's another one. That was a bad cast though. Didn't really cast it out that far. Okay, there we go. That's a better cast. It's also, wind's also starting to pick up. Hopefully, doesn't pick up too much. Got one. Oh snap! Fight pretty good. Dang, this one might be the biggest yet, guys. Maybe. No, he's just fighting like a tank. Holy cow. He's not even that big. He's literally the same size. They're all just fighting like crazy, though. So another nice little one. Looks like they're about to spawn, actually. That might be why. They're all fighting like they're all hungry. I need to get some more of this color. That's the only one, the last one that I have. Let me see if I have any other good colors that we can try. Let's see here. I can put on a marabou jig. That might work good. I think that's what I'm gonna do actually. Let's go ahead and retie. There we go. Marabou jig is on. It's a lot more white than the monkey milk too. There we go. All right. I think I'm gonna leave the bobber like that too. All right, marabou jig is out. Oh, there we go. There's a fish. I stopped it for 2 seconds and he got it. On the marabou jig. Doesn't look like he's very big. That's okay. Yep, there he is. On the marabou jig. Golly, he got hooked pretty good. Oh, goodness gracious. Golly, don't want to break his jaw. There we go. Yeah, we got him. Alright, there we go. Another nice little crappie. Okay. But I'm not really sure what the crappie are feeding on this, like, other than maybe little tiny minnows. That's really all I can think of, because there's no shad in here. Okay, there we go. That's a good cast right there. Oh, snap. One of them just tried to hit my bobber. Crappie are feisty. Oh, golly. Gosh darn it, man. Come on. Come on now. Oh, there's one. That was crazy. I saw him eat it. Come on. Get over here. There we go. Oh, there's a black crappie. There's white crappie and black crappie, unless that one's just a lot darker. There we go. Alright, nice little white crappie, I'm pretty sure. There he goes. Sometimes if they get on the top of the water, just reel them in real fast. It's like almost like skipping a rock. They will skim across the top of the water. Got one. That feels like a better one, actually. I don't even know where he is. Where in the heck is he? He's all the way over here. Yeah, that definitely feels like a better one. Come on, turn this way, turn this way. Don't go on the sticks, don't go on the sticks. There we go. There's another one. Just another little crappie. Nice little one. Most time if you do this, golly, what the heck? There we go, okay. There we go. There's a fish. I'll see if I can try to skim this guy on top of the water, show you guys. This one's a fighter. He's not giving up. Kind of like that, how it was at the end. Golly, what the heck happened here? Oh, I see. He got himself hooked pretty good. There you go, another nice little crappie. I need to bring my kayak down here sometime. We can go crappie fishing in my kayak. Is that a fish? Oh yeah, that's a fish. I didn't even know I had one. Whoa, holy crap. There we go, that's skimming him across the top of the water. I don't know if he got eaten, but he felt really heavy for a second. He felt really heavy for a second. I don't know if he got nipped on or what? By a bass or something. He felt really heavy. Just the bank just a little bit. See if we can find a place that's a little bit less muddy or less windy. To be honest, it's probably good right here. It's not even that windy. Just saw a minnow get eaten right there by a crappie. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh. What the heck? I don't know if this is a crappie. Yeah, it's a crappie. What in the heck? How the heck did I hook him? Did I snag him? I don't even know. How in the crap? Oh, I see what happened. He swiped at it. Somehow he got hooked in the mouth, but he got tangled around the line. This guy has had a scar, probably from a bass, I'm guessing. Pretty decent sized one too. There's one. Golly, that one, the bobber just went straight down. I didn't even feel any resistance. Come on, stay on here. Stay on here. Stay on. Whoa. It's taking me for a joyride. Golly. There we go. There's a better size one right there. That's actually a pretty decent sized one. Pretty good size one. Okay, there we go. The less calm it is on the top of the water, the better, so you can see your bobber easier. And one of them try to eat my bobber. There's one. Come on, come over here. Come on. he just went airborne. Another little crappie. I mean, really, I'm not even, I mean, yes, I'm going for crappie, but kind of really surprised that we haven't even caught a bass yet. There's one. Holy crap. Holy cow. That was the quickest reaction I've ever seen on a fish before. I barely even had time to set the hook. I set the hook and he's already 3 foot out of the water. Holy cow. Got one. Oh man, he came off. Gosh darn it. There's one. That was a cool bite. It was so close I could almost see him eat it. Come on, don't come off, don't come off. There we go. Another little crappie. Jeez, that one was way out there. Holy cow. Come on, come this way, come this way. Oh, don't go that way, don't go. Okay, yes. Skimming them. Golly, this dude was way out there in the deep. These things are so much fun. There's a fat one too. Oh, it looks like he's got some scarring or something right there on his back. Yeah, very nice little crappie. This is fun, especially if you're not using live bait. Live bait, it's fun to use, yeah, but whenever you can catch them back to back to back like this on a lure, that knows you've found a honey hole. Definitely means you found a honey hole. So you can catch them back to back to back on a lure. I mean, yes, live bait's a thing, but it's a lot better if you get them on a lure. It's more fun because you're tricking them. Whoa, I just had a bite on bobber. Like one, try to hit the bobber. There is one right there. Get over here, come on. Get out of the trees. Come here. Come here. Get out of the tree. Come on. Gosh darn it. Maybe he can work his way out. Yep, there he is. Golly, this is the biggest one I think I've caught so far. Yeah, we're gonna get a picture of this one. See if I can do this. There we go. Alrighty. Alright. That was a nice one too. But if you live near Pendergrass, Georgia, hit me up in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you. You might be able to even... I didn't even work it. What in the actual crap? I did not even work the thing. Holy cow, this feels like a good fish. I know I kind of say that about all of them, but holy cow, this one feels like a decent one. It's definitely got some weight to him. Come on. Come here, come here, come here, come here. I need to tighten my drag. Oh boy, this one's definitely the biggest one so far, and he got hooked in the eye. Golly, man, that one's a good one. Got water in my shoe. But what I was saying is, if you live near Pendergrass, Georgia, hit me up in the comment section and I will definitely... Yeah, that's a really good crappie. Golly, look at that. I will get back to you and we might be able to go fishing together. I'm gonna get a picture of this one. Alright, I gotta get him back. Hooked him in the eye. He's bleeding pretty bad. He's right there. I wonder if he's okay. Come on, buddy. Come on. There he goes. All right, he's fine. He's good. He lived. That's good. Okay. You know, a miniature popping cork would probably be even better because you're drawing the fish in. It might Might have to get one of those, a little popping cork. I have some bigger ones, but a smaller one would be would be a lot better. There's one. Holy cow. This one is a good one, I think. Maybe. No. He just choked the crap out of it. Golly, this one's a fat little dude. Look at that. Holy cow. Look how fat he is. Look at how fat that thing is. That's crazy. I think they're definitely pre-spawn right now. That was perfect. Whew. It's definitely an action-packed video, that's for sure. There's one. Holy cow. This one feels like a good one. I know I say that about all of them. Golly, that one's a tiny one. Gosh darn it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that one's just a little guy, and he fought like a freaking tank. I thought I had a good one. That's crazy. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. I think this is going to be my last cast, then I'm going to move over there on the other side of the water drain pipe. There's one. Oh my gosh. That one's fighting really hard. Holy cow. These crappie fight like there's no tomorrow. I'm not even joking. There's a nice crappie. Golly, that's a really good one right there. Ow. There's another really nice crappie. That one's thinner. Oh, it might be a male. One of them's trying to eat my bobber. They're still trying to eat my bobber, gosh darn. There's one. Oh snap. Golly, they all feel so big. So you get them in, and they're not really that big. There's another male, it looks like. Yeah, I think all the thinner ones are males, and then all the fatter ones are females. Yeah, another nice little crappie. Whoops. You got it. You're so close. You're so close. There we go. Got duckweed all over me. That's fine. Okay. Gosh darn, man. He got slime all over the place. And duckweed. I don't even know where my bobber is. There's one. Holy cow. God, they all feel so good. I'm not even joking. That one's a better sized one. Come on. Come here. Come here. Stop shaking around. Oh boy, yeah, this one's gonna be bleeding a little bit. Hooked him right in the tongue. Gosh darn. Hooked him right in the tongue. He choked this thing. Yeah, he's gonna be bleeding pretty bad. Oh, never mind. The hook's not even that deep, to be honest. See it right here in his gills. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Another nice little crappie. What the heck? Wind caught that, I guess. Very bad cast. Oh, I won't be surprised if I don't get anything right here. See, that's one that just tried to hit my bobber. Let me see if I have any little, like, topwater baits that I can use. So that would be awesome to see a crappie blow up on the top of the water. Come on now, get off of there. Okay, there we go. Just don't slip and fall. Just don't slip and fall. That would not be very good. Okay, there we go. Got to the somewhat non-slippery part. Okay, I do have a few other little crankbaits and stuff like that, but I'm not so sure how far I can cast them. Let's try this one. This is a little Guggen Squad. Little Guggen Squad square bill. I think it would be really cool to catch a crappie on a little crankbait. Let's go and take the bobber off real quick as well. All right, let's see what we can do with this little crankbait. Perfect colors for this condition too. Can't cast it as far, but that's fine. Working? Yeah, it's working. Is it working the right way? Yeah, it's working the right way. Golly, this thing dives a lot deeper than it looks. I just want to catch... No, that's perfect. That's perfect. I don't need to be raised. I just want to catch 2 or 3 more crappie before calling it a quits. There's one. Oh, snap. He just pulled like a friggin' tank. Where in the heck did he go? Oh, there he is. There we go. There's a decent little one. Oh, mouth is hooked closed. Oh, yeah, there's another little one. Looks like a female, maybe. Whoa. That guy went airborne. Okay. Let's try to get 3 more. So that was 1. So 2 more. Holy cow, I thought that was a fish. I was about to be like, holy crap, that's a big fish. It's just a geese. Just a geese taking off the top of the water. Alright, I guess let's move down here a little bit, where the bite was good. Hopefully it still is good. I've caught so many crappie today. Whoa. Okay, it's probably good right here. There we go. Mainly relying on feel right now because I cannot see my bobber at all. Yep, I just got a hit on my bobber. I just saw that. There we go. There's one. He's fighting like a good one. Holy cow. Get over here. Just come across the top of the water. Perfect. Chill out. There we go. Okay, this guy is probably going to be blind through that eye, sadly. Oh. That was a good cast. What the heck was that? There's one. Just skimming them across the top of the water, like always. There we go. Last one of the night is, of course, a little tiny one. Come on now, get unhooked. There we go. All right, last one of the night, guys. Nice little female, it looks like. Yep. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Also, make sure you comment down below saying what your favorite part of the video was. Also, if you're around the Pendergrass area of Georgia, hit me up in the comment section down below and we might be able to go fishing. See ya.